Ready to walk with me? Good. Oh, you know what I saw down here? I saw moose poop. Oh my god. I can't see the moose. So that's what's so fun, walking in the woods. I wonder where they are. I don't know where they are. So if we're lucky, we might see moose. And if we're not lucky, we're just gonna have a fun time anyway. Let me take you for a nature walk here where I live in the archipelago. Da-da-da-dum. Where do I go now? Let's go in this direction. Even more poop. Look at this. Poop. Yep. You think we're gonna see a moose? You know what? I don't think we're gonna see a moose. I'm walking around talking, right? I probably scare them away. If I see one, you will be the first one to know, right? I hope you like nature walks. I love them. They certainly give me energy. And that's good. And this is good practice because I recently fell and hurt my back and my leg. So I need these walks. They're good for me. And hopefully they're good for you. Now we're gonna get closer to the road, and I've seen there. It's gonna be more noise. And just before I went out in the woods, there was a lot of motorbikes passing by, like not old nice bike like Harley Davidsons. That's pretty nice. Don't you just love walking in the woods? Hello, moose, where are you? Can't see you. You want to show yourself? No, they didn't want to show themselves. This is working fine with my leg is doing great. Does hurt a bit, but that's okay. I'll walk carefully on this path. That is something I really like when people show different nature walks and what they can find around them. There's not much to see in these woods. I'll just go off the track here. Well, we got trees, of course. Pine trees and yeah. last time I walked in these woods, that was about, let's say, a month ago. Because I had to practice walking with my leg and back. But I tore my favorite jacket. So I was really sad walking that time. So what was supposed to be a nice nature walk turned into a pretty sad walk. Because that jacket was, it's so expensive. It tore. Well, it's just a jacket, but you know, it's my favorite. Oh, look at these bird trees. Hi there. See? Oh, isn't it just lovely? All these trees. They are so lovely. Look at the colors. And even if I come close to a tree like this one now, it's dead. But isn't that just wonderful? With the moss and everything. I think it is. I really think it is beautiful. I've been walking these woods for many years. My husband grew up in this area. I come from a different part. But these are the woods that he is used to. And when we moved here with the kids, when they grew up, and the dogs, these are the woods that we walk in. And it's great with the mushrooms in the spring. In the fall. So many mushrooms. And our favorite mushrooms are is it called chanterelle? The yellow ones. Oh, so delicious. We have our spots. We're not going to tell anyone where the spots are, but we certainly have our spots here in the wood. Something else that is nice now in the woods. I don't know if I can film it. It's the spider webs. You know, when the spiders, like, they fly just in the air with this thread. So you can see like threads of spiders. Here in Sweden, we don't have any poisonous spiders at all. So we're in a safe place. Oh, this big old tree. I like this one. Oh, it's always here. Now this tree behind me here, usually the path went this way. But then there was a storm and then it fell. And now you can't even see the signs that there was a path right through there. It's gone. So nature really can heal itself. And the tree is probably home to a lot of different species of ants or spiders or bees, whoever lived there. I love being out in nature, but I don't know everything about nature. It's just that I know I get a good feeling from being out here. Oh, look at these trees. We see it's so early in the spring, so we don't have the trees haven't had their leaves yet come to life, but we can see it. Let's see if you can see that. Behind me we have a pine tree, and this is a birch, and we can actually see that it's starting to get some leaves, small leaves. We here in Sweden we call it, they have their mouse ears. Oh, here's another one. I'll see if I can show you what I mean with these small mouse ears. Okay, no, not this one. What about this one? Okay, here we go. This is the small, sorry, mouse ears. It's starting to get ready, but it's not quite there yet. Sorry about that. Oh my god. Since I fell, I've also got some dizziness. That's a bit annoying. If I keep walking in nature, if I walk up straight, I have a problem sitting down nowadays. But walking slowly like this, that is actually feels pretty good. So that's okay. So I can do that. I guess I'm gonna take you guys on nature walks now and then. And you know, I'm a healer as well, so I always open up to the healing energies when I'm out in nature, walking around. One of these days, we're probably gonna see the moves, and I will show them to you. That one down there. Nope. No, that wasn't one. Okay. It's all about the wood spot. And now we're out on this small dirt road. Disappearing over there. When I turn around, I'm gonna go that way. But over there we have a bit more of a busy road. So I'm gonna leave you guys now. I'm gonna leave you here in the woods until next time, okay? See ya.